Hello and welcome to Washoe County Library's Early Reader Feature. I'm Miss Melissa and I work at the Downtown Library. Today I'll be sharing some early literacy information that supports early literacy and also emerging readers. So I've got an activity, I've got an early literacy tip, and a book recommendation for you. So the activity that I would like to suggest is from kidscreativechaos.com, and it's one of my favorite ideas because I love Scrabble. And basically it's to play with some old Scrabble tiles to form sight words that your child has to identify. So for instance, I've got my sight word here, they have to try and read that, and then they'll form a word that you have to read. And really, depending on where they're at, they might not be up to sight words yet. You can work on spelling their names or spelling names of people in your family, or even just letter recognition. Basically, kids learn by playing, so let them explore the tiles and the Scrabble board however they want to do it. The key is no pressure. If they want to just form nonsense words, that's okay too. That's a great learning tool as well. If you don't have a Scrabble board and Scrabble tiles around the house, you could use some blocks that have some letters, or just cut out some letters, that you've printed or that you've drawn into little squares. Also, the magnetic letters that a lot of people have, they work great on a cookie sheet, so that's something fun too. You could do with your child. And the literacy tip I have to share with you today is from readingrockets.org, and it's called Talk About Writing Too. So as you're reading, mention that we read and write from left to right. Note that there are spaces between words, that we use capital letters and punctuation to form sentences. That there's a beginning, a middle, and an end to a story. Anything like that, just kind of work into the story as you're reading. And yeah, that's it. Oh, I have a book recommendation for you. This is called Sea Sheep, and it's written by Eric Seltzer. And it's been illustrated by Tom Disbury. It's called Sea Sheep, and it's a pre-level 1, which just says that up here in the corner. Most of our easy readers will tell you what level they are. I like this book as a pre-level 1 because I think it's great for kids that may be a little bit behind in their reading skills, or for those that are just starting out. It's a good book as well. There's a lot of sight words in this book to practice, and also lots of chances to practice the S versus the SH. So a lot of kids do struggle with the S versus the sh. My kids are 7 and they still do need some practice with that. So we use this book for that. And also there's just some really cute drawings in here that my boys found to be funny and entertaining. So there's that. If you would like more books like this, or if you want to find out more about supporting early literacy at home, please visit our website at www.washoecountylibrary.us. And thank you so much for joining me for our early reader feature. Bye-bye.